Hello everybody, this is MinimyMeow, and I'm here to say I am going to be doing a one-upping of MinimyMo's video today. MinimyMo put up a video 10 minutes ago that's 13 easy and fun Halloween costumes. Oh, that makes me laugh, because MinimyMo only did 13. And you know how many I'm going to do in this video? Infinity. Well, depending on how many hats you have, because all you need other than makeup is a hat. And maybe a microphone, but that's it. So first you find a hat that would suit a costume that you want for Halloween. But this one has my ears up it. Nah, too scary. Ooh, I think I like this one. And then the next step is you do your makeup to go along with the hat. But that means I'll have to take off my mask. Actually, I will demonstrate on MinimyMo. Luckily, they're asleep, so this should be easy. Wake up! What's on my face? Am I wearing goggles? Yes, now show the internet your look. What's on my look? They're looking at my... They're just looking at my pajamas. What... You put me in the squid hat? Is this like a prank or something? No, just look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. You did my makeup in my sleep? Yes, don't you look great? I look terrible. What even are these? Like, I get that some are bubble, but what are these? Is it too much? I know sometimes you breathe out the nose, but this is too much. Oh, well you can take it off. Yeah, maybe. Let's try. Oh, I forget where to go. It's really hard seeing these goggles. Yeah, I think without that one it's better. Let me take off the goggles too. Ugh. Jeez, man. I like the squid hat though. This isn't a bad look, to be honest with you. I know. You can start the outro if you want. Really? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is MinimyMo and MinimyMeow. Scratching off.
How you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, and you just can't get into it because they would never understand.